Hello, right, my last package has arrived, which would be the Southern Region coaches. But before I do that, this is the train that they're going to be going on. Don't need to get them all out this time, so this shouldn't be that much of a long video. Let me get a closer view on that. So yeah, as you can see, it's the Drummond M.7 with Southern Region cattle wagons. Now, ignore that. Let's see the coaches inside this and see how they look with the Drummond M.7. So we are going to start with finding a loose bit of tape, which I've just found here. Let's pull that up. There should be 3 coaches in this. I'm not sure if I need to get a brake coach for these yet. I may or may not have to. Open it down. Oh look! It's not coaches at all. It's a coffee pot milk jug. Don't know why they put it in this box. It's not really coffee thing. This is actually coaches, I know that straight away. Because it's my last package. I already done a review on my Trek and 2 other packages that came first, which was some wagons and a train. It just doesn't want to open this one, does it? Should we just stick it on a bonfire and see if that'll burn it away? I'll probably lose my coaches at the same time. So I'm just chatting rubbish because this box is actually being really awkward to get into. And I don't want to be pausing the video while I'm actually opening this. Ugh, pardon me. So it takes the fun out of packing something. We are almost in, I think. Just helping get rid of all this. Crying out loud. One does one part and then leads on to another part to undo. Luckily enough, I've been opening packages for quite some time. So it doesn't matter how people actually wrap these up, I will always be able to get in without a standard blade. But sometimes I get fed up with that and I end up using a standard blade. Nobody wants someone else to do my head while I'm trying to open something. So we are almost in. Just getting rid of this little bit here. And now we should be able to tear the whole lot of that off. With saying that, now I can concentrate back on this part. Because they've already got leverage there. So let's try on this side, see if I can actually, yes, on the tape there. It's gone underneath another one. They see that one. Oh, it's lifted up on that bit there. There we go. You're getting somewhere, I think, yes. So how easy it is to actually open the package. without a knife. I have no nails, so I'm actually trying to pick the tape off. All I do is just find a loose bit of sellotape, pull it back, and open it like that. Very simple. Once you get one bit of sellotape going, you can eventually get the rest of it going. I think that's gone underneath here, but I can still sort of peel that bit. That bit's been awkward. Oh, there we go. Oh, that wasn't on camera. There we go. Let's see where the sellotape's actually going. Oh look, this is what's bit. And once I get this bit off, we can actually get inside the box. Oh, this one, the one that's wrapped all the way around. At least this time I can lift it up. Oh look, we have some bubble wrap sticking out. That is just cardboard, there is no sellotape attached to that. There we go. Guess what? Dun, dun. Let's see that. Right. Dun, dun, dun. We are in. Oh, these coaches are a little bit bigger than the thought. So, here's coach 1. This is made by... Oh, there's actually a person inside it. There's people inside it. In the whole interior. Fortunately, the people haven't been painted. They haven't actually been stuck down properly either, because one of them's actually moving about. So I'm going to open this back up. Who's it made by? Oh, it's made by Triangle. So that's pretty nice. Couplings could do with straightening up. But never mind that for now. I'm going to put that to one side. We have another one. Yeah, I thought this might have been a guard span. It's not a guard span. This one has no interior. It's also made by Triangle. Yeah, wasn't sure if I was reading that correctly. I think that's actually a luggage carrier. So yeah, I am going to need to get a breakdown for this. But anyway, last one. It's got interior, but I can't see no people in this one. So yeah, this one's also made by Triangle. But from the looks of this, someone's actually painted this. But whoever has painted it, I've actually done a real good job. It's not exactly sloppy work, but you can see sort of brush streaks through it. I'm not bothered about that. I have coaches now for my Drummond M7. Let's see what it looks like on the coaches. On the Drummond M7. Let's see what the coaches look like on the Drummond M7. I'm pausing the video. Right, I have set the train up. But before I end this video, I just want to mention that some of the coaches are a bit wear and tear, but I can fix that up. Also, there was something else I wanted to mention. I can't think what it was. Right there, let me think. I'm going to pause the video again while I think. Oh yeah, I remember what it was. I did actually try and do a running of some of my locomotives, but I forgot to actually give them a service, and some of them decided not to work. But let's have a look at this train. I think it looks rather nice. I'll just move this out the way. Oh, hang on. Yeah, quite nice. And it's coaches. Now I'm going to try a little something. See how this looks. Yeah, it's rather nice. I'm going to do some stuff with those, some of my coaches and that, especially with my new train. I haven't even tested it yet. But that'll be quite nice as well. But there we go. It still looks nice. I've got the locomotive facing backwards to the coaches. And the reason why I've done that is because it does have these couplings. Now I've seen a lot of people where they hardly use the couplings on the front, and some of their locomotives don't have the coupling on the front. I disagree with that. The locomotives should have their couplings on the front, because when they was originally built, they had the couplings on the front. There's only a few locomotives that are not meant to, like George Stephenson's Rocket is not meant to have a coupling. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching and happy collecting.